Hi there, my name is Christopher Grimes, and I'm the director for the program for psychology and religion at the St. Louis Behavioral Medicine Institute. And my mental health month tip for coping with stressful times in our lives is the cultivation of your spirituality. And one of the ways that I like to do that for myself is through spiritual readings. I'm going to share a quick reading with you today, and it comes from a book that I sometimes recommend to my clients. It's a book by the Reverend Henry Nouwen, titled The Inner Voice of Love. This reading is titled Befriend Your Emotions. He says, "It can be discouraging to discover how quickly you lose your inner peace. Someone happens to enter your life suddenly and create restlessness and anxiety in you. Sometimes this feeling is there before you fully realize it. You thought you were centered. You thought you could trust yourself. You thought you could stay with God. But then someone you do not even know immediately makes you feel insecure. You ask yourself whether you are loved or not, and that stranger becomes a criterion. Thus you start feeling disillusioned by your own reactions. Don't whip yourself for your lack of spiritual progress. If you do, you will easily be pulled even further from your center. You will damage yourself and make it more difficult to come home again. It is obviously good not to act on your sudden emotions, but you don't have to repress them either. You can acknowledge them and let them pass by. In a certain sense, you have to befriend them so that you do not become their victim. The way to victory is not in trying to overcome your dispiriting emotions directly, but in building a deeper sense of safety and at homeness, and a more incarnate knowledge that you are deeply loved. Then little by little, you will stop giving so much power to strangers. Do not be discouraged. Be sure that God will truly fulfill all your needs. Keep remembering that. It will help you not to expect that fulfillment from people who you already know are incapable of giving it." I hope that thought is helpful for you today, or will be helpful in the future whenever you fall into the trap of judging yourself and are discouraged because you feel you're not meeting others' expectations. Be careful what criterion you use to judge yourself.